everyone, my name is Zoe and today I will be teaching you about the yellow wood sorrel plant. If you turn to page 246 of your Newcomb's Wildflower Guide, you can see that the genus name for this plant is Oxalis, and there are actually two common species that you can find in Ohio. There's the Oxalis corniculata and the Oxalis europea. The corniculata has stalks that are bent downwards, and the flower petals are a little bit smaller, whereas the europea has slightly larger flower petals and the stalks are more or less erect. I will take you over to a beautiful example that we have here. As you can see, there are 5 bright yellow flower petals on each of these little guys, and it actually has leaflets in 3s. So these leaves are a bit bent together and downwards, but when you flatten them out, you can see that they almost look like little clovers. These flowers are part of the Oxalidaceae family, and they are a perennial plant, meaning that they bloom in the summer and the spring, and then they die off in the fall and winter, but they do come back yearly. Currently, these are found in almost every single contiguous U.S. state, but it is very highly debated as to how they got to the U.S. in the first place. These plants are sometimes argued to be native plants, whereas others will argue that it was brought over to the U.S. many, many years ago. And these typically invade flower beds, but as I said, I am in a very big open field, so they can grow anywhere. Fun little fact about these guys, they are sometimes called sour grass because when you eat the leaves, they have a very sour, lemony taste. This is due to the fact that they have oxalic acid in them, and they are completely safe to eat in small quantities. You can actually eat every part of this plant. However, in very large quantities, it becomes difficult to digest. So if you find these little guys out there, feel free to take a bite. Just don't go eating them by the handful. Thanks.